Vacuum brazing technology is a popular solution for product-like heat exchangers, where many plates must be tightly connected to give proper parameters necessary for high quality of final product. My name is Paweł Okinczyc and I want to invite you on the video which we make together with Marcin Wenta, Sonflow expert in brazing technology. Sonflow, located in Kolding, Denmark, is one of our partners. They are manufacturer of heat exchangers and pumps. Let's see our discussion. Why heat exchangers are brazed?
There is few methods of joining the plates in exchangers, in heat exchangers. There are screwed exchangers with gasket, there are welded exchangers, and there are brazed exchangers as well. The brazed exchangers are used in a different application because there are many different parameters in some application. So brazed are more resist for the pressure and more resist for the temperature.
What range of parts are brazed?
There is a wide range of brazed materials. When we talk about the thickness of material, we can braze from, let's say, 0.2 millimeters up to 25 millimeters. When we talk about the size of the exchangers, our exchangers are from more or less 250 millimeters up to about 1000 millimeters.
Can you mix different size of heat exchanger in one load?
There are two schools. First school say that the best is to braze only one size, let's say the same heat exchanger in one load. There is other school which say it doesn't matter the size, we can mix them, but you have to know where to put and how to put one close to the other and one on the top or the other. So we can mix them, but others say we cannot. So it's up to the experience.
Brazing process is divided for many different operations. Which operation should be made automatically and which operation should be made manually?
Brazing process by itself, it's automatic. It's done in the oven. So when you have a special program in the oven, so the brazing process is automatic. But to prepare many parts of the brazed heat exchangers before automatic brazing process, many of them are done manually. Some of them we can also, of course, automatize, but finally some assembling is done manually by the person.
Which manual operation is most important?
In my opinion, the assembling operation is the most important manual operation during production of brazed heat exchangers.
What is most critical during the brazing process?
It's very difficult to say what is the most critical point during the whole brazing process. I think there is many critical points. Just from the beginning, when you cut material, you have to take care of the right dimensions. When you press the plates, you also have to take care of the tolerances. When you're brazing, the tolerances of every parameters are really important, like the temperature, range of the vacuum. So I cannot tell you exactly which the parameter is the most important, because when you fail only with one of the processes, then the final brazing result is not okay. So I would say that in every step you have to take care of the range of the tolerances, which are the critical.
How do you check quality of brazing?
We check the quality on every step of production. We check from the cutting, pressing, and after brazing as well. The final test is the pressure test of brazed heat exchangers. So we make a pressure test, and we of course make a burst test of each type of the brazed heat exchanger.
How many joints we have in one heat exchanger?
This is depend of design of heat exchanger. When you have a smaller brazed heat exchanger, then of course there's less brazing points. When the plates are bigger and the different design of fish bones, then there is much more brazed joining points. But do you have any method to check inside the connection in heat exchanger? Yes, of course, we can check the brazed heat exchanger inside, but to check if the quality of brazing is good enough, we make a test pressure. For all product you make the pressure test, or only for few examples? We test every of brazed heat exchanger. We pressure test every of them. What is more important, experienced staff or modern equipment? I think that the most important are experienced people during the production. But of course, without good equipment and good machines, you are not able to produce even the people are really experienced.
If this was interesting for you, or if you have any comments or questions, please write or just call.